Well, good morning again. It's the 24th of December 2021, Christmas Eve, and we've got another great gift for you. This one's called Metadoge. If you haven't heard about Metadoge, it has been on a run. Okay, Metadoge was sitting at about 0.00008, and now it's up 42%, folks. 42%. Look at this graph in the last day. So when people start talking about how to make money, this is how you make money. You go out there and you find out what's trending. You find out what everybody wants, and you try to get in where you fit in. And guess what? People love these meme coins, even if they don't have purpose. But what we're going to find out today is that Metadoge is not a joke. We're going to go over here and take a look at their website real quick and see what's going on after we look at the stats. It's sitting at $0.00012, and it has a market cap of $7,560,000. That lets you know that this one really hasn't really gotten started yet. I know that sounds like a lot of money to some folks, but remember, if you've looked at some of the videos on this channel, and if you're not a subscriber, I invite you to go ahead and subscribe right now. If you're a subscriber to this channel, you know that in order to be in the top 93 cryptos, you have to have over a $1 billion market cap. So when I see $7 million, I'm thinking they have a lot of room to grow, especially if they're going to do like Big Daddy Doge actually did. So let's go over here and take a look at their site real quick and see how they're doing. We're going to take a look at this. So they've got a pretty crazy site. They jump up with this little chat trying to ask you if you want to log in as a guest or actually log in using Messenger. I'm going to log in as a guest. Okay, go ahead and allow that. And then it starts to asking questions. I think that this is somewhat annoying. What they're really trying to do is like kind of answer some of your questions. I know they're trying to be interactive, but they do a pretty good job of actually explaining what these things are. They know what people are coming here for. They've got the what is Doge, what is NFT staking, and what's coming up. So a little bit about Metadoge. What they're trying to be is the best NFT staking platform out there. If you're familiar with staking, you can stake your crypto and get rewards for staking your crypto tokens like, or I should say crypto like XTZ, okay, and some of the others, Ethereum 2.0. You can stake your crypto and earn rewards for staking your crypto. These folks want to give you the ability to stake your NFTs. So they kind of go into that. They talk about what Metadoge is, okay? They're letting you know it's a metaverse project, okay? Look at this, great question. Metadoge, look at this. Metadoge is one of the most successful recent launches on the new meme coin Binance platform, okay? And so now here they are bragging about all their accomplishments, and they should be proud of their accomplishments. Let's just take a look at their site here and see if this dog has teeth. All right, so we're going to go down and we're going to take a look. And here it is, merging the two biggest trends in crypto history. All right, so they talk about the explosion with regards to these meme coins, okay, and the metaverse. All right, and they're sitting here talking about how only a small percentage actually achieve rewarding their investors. All right, and they say this is generally due to the low barrier of entry to create your own coin. Folks, they let the cat out of the bag right here. I'm going to highlight this, okay? Simply put, you don't need to know what you're doing to create a coin. But you do, however, need to have experience in getting the project out there. What they're trying to tell you is it's so easy to go on the Ethereum network and create a coin now. This is what I've been saying in many of my videos. I'm repeating this idea that in the old days, people used to use Patreon to raise money for whatever idea they had. Or they'd be sitting up here begging you to make some kind of contribution, and they got the link in the description and all this kind of stuff. Well, now people are getting hip to the game and they're going out here and they're creating their own crypto and just basically throwing it on the main net, and then they throw up a web page, and guess what? If you really want some hype to get behind it, you name it after name it after Doge. Metadoge, Doge Bonk. We've got all kind of Doge coins out here now. Baby Doge. You put the word Doge on there and see what happens. Okay. I tend to want people to investigate these blockchains more than just looking at the image or the persona that they put. See exactly what they're going to do with the technology. Is it viable? Does it have a purpose? Well, when we scroll down, we find out that, Metadoge is not a joke, okay? Take a look at the word is out. They're doing a good job getting the word out, but I want you to see this. Look at this, folks. Metadoge NFT minting is live, okay? The fact that they want to get into the minting business, this is big business. There's no way around it. And they're not building it after the fact like Shiba Inu did. They got this right out off the bat. They've got the entire NFT platform up and running before the coin gets big. Okay, they're not even in the top 100 yet. They will. I think they will be. Okay, and here they are talking about. Look at this. They got their little caricatures for the people who are behind the coin. Here's a little bit about their tokenomics and how they've arranged their coin. Private sales, exchange listings, NFT staking that we talked about, and how they plan to burn 40% of the tokens. Okay, that should raise the price. And then they get stupid with it and put a little flying dog up here for everybody to just fall in love with. If this is not the best marketing that you've seen, I mean, this is just incredible marketing that they're doing here. You know, they can't do any better than this. All right, now they're going to talk about their development cycle. They're going to talk about their what their project timeline is. This is important. You'd be surprised how many coins are out there that don't have goals, that don't have timelines with goals and what their objectives are. So they've got it clearly defined here what they're trying to do in the first quarter of 2022, the second quarter of 2022, and out to the third quarter. And then they talk about how you can purchase it. Okay. My thing is, when I see how to purchase it, I like to go back over to CoinMarketCap, and I like to look at the market tab and see what they have there. So here they have PancakeSwap and LA Token. These are the places where you can get the Metadoge. Why is this important? Because the big boys haven't picked it up yet. You don't see it on Coinbase. You don't see it on Binance. You don't see it on Bittrex. You don't see it on KuCoin. The big folks haven't picked it up yet. So that means that when I go back over here and I see this $7 million market cap, folks, there's so much room for this thing to grow. It's not mainstream for the crypto people that are out here buying and hodling. So this is meant to give you just a little baseline that Metadoge is not a joke. It's here, it's real, it's coming, and there's no telling what people are going to be able to do with this. This token is going to be a big deal, I think, in 2022. If you've enjoyed this video, please go ahead, drop a like, and if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one.